No one likes planer snipe. If you're tired of dealing with planer snipe like I am, then you've come to the right place. Because today, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your planer and make an easy and inexpensive anti-snipe table for that planer. Welcome to Victory Woodworking with Vic, and I'm Vic. This is a channel where we make all sorts of woodworking projects. If you're tired of dealing with snipe on your planer like I am, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to be showing you two easy and inexpensive solutions to prevent snipe on your planer. In the first solution, I'll show you how to adjust your planer in and out feet tables, and in a second, I will show you how to make an anti-snipe table for your planer. Before we get started on today's project, I want to remind you to always prioritize shop safety when working with power tools. It's important to wear eye and ear protection. This will keep your eyes safe from flying debris and your ears from loud noises that can damage your hearing. So before you start on your next project, make sure you have the proper eye and ear protection. Your safety should always come first. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what snipe is. Snipe is the unevenness at the beginning or end of a board that's been planed. It happens when the board lifts slightly as it enters or exits the planer, causing the blades to cut deeper than desired. This results in a noticeable indentation or groove on the board. Snipe can be frustrating, so that's why we're going to show you how to adjust your planer tables and build an anti-snipe table. The first step in getting the perfect result is to make sure your planer bed and in and out feet tables are level. This will ensure that your boards will glide smoothly through the machine and minimize any snipe or uneven cuts. To adjust the in or out feet tables, loosen the bolts on each side and use a level to make sure they're even. Then tighten the bolts back up. Once everything is level, you're ready to start planing. By taking this time to level your planer and tables, you've taken the first step in getting better results every time. For step 2, the anti-snipe planing table, you'll need the following: a 1/2 inch thick plywood or shelf board laminated melamine, like this one, some wood glue, some screws, a table saw or circular saw, which is down below, drills with countersinks, measuring tape, pencil, safety glasses, and ear protection. First, we're going to measure the width of the planer cutting area, and then the length of the in and out feet tables. This will give us an idea of the max size of the table we are going to make. In my case, my Delta planer has a max width of 12.5 inches, so I'll cut the board to that dimension and just subtract a little, like 1/16 for clearance. This way it will fit inside the planer easily. The ultimate length of the planer table is up to you. Practically speaking, 36 to 48 inches should be just fine. In my case, the shelf board that I'm using is 36 inches, and I'm good with that. Next, we'll glue and screw the scrap cross piece to the underside of the anti-snipe table, making sure it's flush with the edges. This will create a lip that will catch the anti-snipe planer table, preventing it from sliding through the planer with the board. Finally, we'll install the anti-snipe table in the planer. Make sure it's level with the in and out feet tables. As the board exits the planer, the anti-snipe table will support it and prevent it from lifting, resulting in a smoother and even surface. And that's it. Now you can start planing your boards without worrying about snipe. Thanks for watching this video on how to adjust your planer in and out feet tables and how to make an anti-snipe table for your planer. I hope you found this video helpful and that it will make your woodworking projects a little easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking content, tips, and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video, and you'll be the first to know when we release new tutorials and projects. Plus, It really helps us out and lets us know that we're providing value to our viewers. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our viewers, and I'm always looking for ways to improve the content. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.